And this is another Japanese rose, and one of my most favorite. It's called MARIROSE, and its special point is this round shape and white borders on the petals, and it looks really special, different and stunning. So I will be filming it when it opens more. It's really one of my most favorite in the collection. Here it is, MARIROSE again, once it opened a little bit more. It is a slightly pinkish red, or is it dark fuchsia? Difficult to say. And in this one, the white borders are not so visible. So I will film once it opens more flowers, because this is a really very special color, never seen before. And okay, see these white borders here, and with this round shape, it's so adorable. And yes, by far one of my favorites. Again, it opened more, and now you can clearly see that all the petals end in white, and it has such a round and lovely attitude. Especially in bouquet, these look amazing if you have more. Yeah, look how full of petals this is. Truly a stunning Japanese rose. A week later, MARIROSE is still perfectly beautiful, perfect in shape. A truly stunning Japanese rose. Again, 2 days later, MARIROSE still looks perfect. It's as if she's not going to age and not going to wilt. What a perfect rose.